covering,
covering,
protective,
protective,
equipment,
equipment,
wealth, wealthiest,
wealth,
gross domestic product, GDP,
gross domestic product, GDP. COVID-19 allowed 40 people to become billionaires. While the coronavirus pandemic caused millions of people around the world to lose their jobs, the health crisis also helped 40 people join the list of the world's richest. Forbes magazine has released its yearly list of the world's billionaires. The US magazine found that a record 493 people became billionaires in 2020, making it a record-setting year for the world's wealthiest. The Forbes list now has almost 2,800 billionaires. That is the most ever since the magazine started publishing the list 35 years ago. Among the new billionaires are 40 people who made their money from companies involved in fighting COVID-19. Some worked on vaccines that they helped to develop in record time. They include Ouça, who helped create the Pfizer biotech vaccine, and Stefan Bancel of Moderna. Others got rich by making personal protective equipment, PPE, and tests for COVID-19. The richest of these new billionaires is Li Jianquan. He is the president of Winner Medical, a company that makes medical products such as face coverings and medical clothing for healthcare workers around the world. Li is said to now be worth $6.8 billion. Forbes found that the wealth of billionaires is worth about $13.1 trillion. That is nearly the size of the 2019 gross domestic product, GDP, of China, and the world's second largest economy. And the number is as large as the combined GDPs of Japan, Germany, Britain, and South Korea.